Understanding the phrase, outline the plan, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase in English, outline the plan. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or just for fun, understanding this phrase can really help you in various situations. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to outline a plan and how you can use this phrase effectively. Outline the plan is a phrase that means to describe the main parts of a plan or proposal in a clear and concise way. It's about giving a general overview or a summary of the plan, rather than going into every small detail. When someone asks you to outline a plan, they are expecting you to highlight the key steps or stages, the main objectives, and possibly the timeline of the plan. This phrase is commonly used in professional settings, like in meetings or project discussions, but it can also be used in everyday situations. For example, in a business meeting, a manager might ask a team member to outline the plan for a new project. A teacher could ask a student to outline the plan for their research paper. Friends planning a trip might discuss and outline their travel plan. When outlining a plan, remember to 1. Be clear and concise. Focus on the main points. 2. Organize logically. Present the steps or stages in an order that makes sense. 3. Highlight important dates or milestones. If the plan involves a timeline, mention key dates. Let's look at an example to illustrate this. Imagine you're in charge of organizing a company event. If asked to outline the plan, you might say, first, we'll select the date and venue. Then, we'll decide on the theme and speakers. After that, we'll arrange catering and logistics. Finally, we'll send out invitations 2 weeks before the event. This gives a clear and brief overview of the main steps involved in the plan. I hope this video helps you understand how to use and comprehend the phrase, outline the plan, in English. It's a handy phrase that can make your communication in professional and personal contexts much more effective. Remember, outlining a plan is all about being clear, concise, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this lesson has been helpful to you in your English learning journey.